Muscles start to fade faster after 60, and many struggle to keep strength and energy as the years pass. Most people think eggs are the ultimate solution, the golden standard for building muscle, but there is a surprising and much cheaper alternative that can rebuild strength faster and more effectively than eggs ever could. This food is packed with nutrients that target muscle recovery and growth, helping seniors not only maintain strength but regain it in ways few expect. In this video, you will discover exactly what this food is, why it works so well for people over 60, and how to use it in daily meals to maximize results. Scientific studies reveal that certain nutrients play a critical role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, improving endurance, and speeding up recovery, and this food delivers them in a way that eggs cannot match. By watching until the end, you will learn practical tips for incorporating it into your diet, including portions, timing, and combinations that can amplify its effects, making your muscles stronger and more resilient. This is not just another generic health tip. What you will hear here goes beyond common knowledge and highlights research-backed methods that often go unnoticed, showing how something simple, affordable, and accessible can transform your body and energy levels after 60. Welcome to our channel, where we explore proven strategies for staying strong, healthy, and vibrant at any age. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the life-changing insights we share regularly. As the years pass, the body begins to change in ways that are often subtle at first but become more noticeable over time. After 60, muscles start to shrink faster, and everyday tasks that once felt effortless can begin to feel heavy and tiring. Strength declines more quickly, balance can wobble, and simple movements may take more energy than before. Protein, which is essential for maintaining and rebuilding muscle, becomes even more important, yet the body's ability to use it efficiently slows down, making recovery longer and progress harder to achieve. Many turn to eggs, protein powders, or expensive supplements, hoping they will fill the gap, but these often fall short. They may provide protein, but they do not target the deeper issues that slow muscle growth and energy after 60. Fatigue sets in faster, injuries take longer to heal, and even consistent exercise can feel less effective, leaving frustration and discouragement. Finding a solution that truly works, that goes beyond common recommendations and addresses the real causes of muscle loss and slow recovery, becomes essential for anyone looking to stay strong, mobile, and independent as the body changes with age. Every attempt to rebuild muscle without the right approach can feel like running in place, putting in effort without seeing the results that truly matter, and the struggle can seem endless without knowing the overlooked tools and foods that can turn the process around. One of the most surprising solutions to rebuilding muscle after 60 is a food that is not only incredibly effective, but also cheap and easy to find in most stores. This food is cottage cheese, a simple, everyday item that many overlook, yet it is packed with the nutrients that aging muscles desperately need. Cottage cheese is loaded with high-quality protein, particularly casein, which digests slowly and provides a steady supply of amino acids to muscles over hours, helping to repair and build tissue even while at rest. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, which support energy production, bone health, and overall muscle function. Unlike eggs or expensive protein powders, cottage cheese is affordable, widely available, and versatile enough to include in meals or snacks throughout the day. Its unique nutrient profile makes it a powerhouse for anyone over 60, providing both the building blocks for muscle growth and the compounds that improve recovery, strength, and endurance. Incorporating this food regularly creates an environment where muscles can grow stronger faster, counteracting the natural decline that comes with age, and giving seniors a practical, realistic tool to stay active, energetic, and resilient without breaking the bank or relying on gimmicks. Cottage cheese works so effectively for muscle building because it delivers the exact nutrients the body needs to repair and grow muscle, especially after 60, when the natural process slows down. The high-quality protein in cottage cheese is rich in essential amino acids, including leucine, which plays a critical role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, the process that builds new muscle tissue. Alongside protein, cottage cheese contains B vitamins, which help convert food into energy and support muscle function, and minerals like calcium and phosphorus that strengthen bones and aid in muscle contraction. Studies have shown that older adults who consume protein-rich foods like cottage cheese experience faster recovery after exercise, maintain lean muscle mass longer, and even improve strength compared to those relying on less effective protein sources. Experts emphasize that slow-digesting proteins such as casein provide a steady supply of amino acids, which is especially important overnight or between meals when muscles might otherwise start breaking down. This combination of nutrients not only helps rebuild muscle, but also reduces fatigue, improves endurance, and supports overall physical resilience, making it one of the most practical and scientifically supported foods for anyone over 60, looking to regain strength and vitality without expensive supplements. While eggs have long been considered a go-to source of protein, cottage cheese offers several advantages for people over 60 that make it a smarter choice for building and maintaining muscle. One of the key benefits is faster muscle repair. The slow-digesting casein protein in cottage cheese provides a steady stream of amino acids over several hours, which keeps muscles nourished and actively rebuilding, whereas eggs are digested more quickly, may not sustain the body as effectively between meals or overnight. Cottage cheese is also much easier on the digestive system, which becomes an important factor as the body ages and digestion naturally slows down. It can be eaten in larger amounts without causing discomfort, bloating, or heaviness, making it more practical for consistent daily use. On top of that, cottage cheese is extremely versatile and affordable, allowing it to be incorporated into a wide range of meals and snacks without straining the budget. Its combination of convenience, digestibility, and nutrient density makes it a superior option for older adults who want to strengthen muscles, recover more efficiently, and maintain energy throughout the day without relying on eggs or expensive protein supplements. Cottage cheese can be easily incorporated into daily life in ways that are simple, practical, and enjoyable, making it effortless to get the benefits consistently. One of the easiest ways to use it is as a snack between meals, either on its own or mixed with fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey to add flavor and extra nutrients. It can also be included in breakfast by adding it to oatmeal, smoothies, or even spreading it on whole grain toast, providing a protein boost to start the day. For lunch or dinner, it can be paired with vegetables, salads, or whole grains to create balanced meals that support muscle repair and overall health. Portion sizes should be manageable, around half a cup to 1 cup per serving, which provides a substantial amount of protein without being overwhelming, and consuming it 2 to 3 times a day can help maintain a steady supply of amino acids to muscles. Timing can also enhance its effectiveness, such as having a serving in the morning, after workouts, or before bed, to supply muscles with nutrients when they need it most. By using cottage cheese consistently in these ways, it becomes a natural part of the daily routine, making it easy to strengthen muscles, improve recovery, and sustain energy throughout the day, without complicated meal plans or expensive supplements. For even better results, pairing cottage cheese with light resistance exercises or gentle strength training can dramatically increase its effectiveness in rebuilding muscles after 60. Simple movements like bodyweight squats, light dumbbell lifts, or resistance band exercises help stimulate muscle fibers, and when combined with the steady flow of protein from cottage cheese, recovery and growth happen faster and more efficiently. Timing also matters. Consuming a serving of cottage cheese shortly after exercise provides the muscles with essential amino acids exactly when they need them most, supporting repair and reducing soreness. Another effective approach is to combine it with foods rich in healthy fats or complex carbohydrates, such as a small handful of nuts, seeds, or berries, which can improve nutrient absorption and provide sustained energy for recovery. This combination of smart eating and gentle exercise creates a powerful synergy that not only strengthens muscles but also boosts overall vitality, making it easier to stay active, mobile, and independent, while maximizing the benefits of this simple, affordable food. Forget eggs and focus on this simple, affordable food that rebuilds muscle faster after 60 and keeps your body strong and resilient. Start adding it to your meals for just a week, and notice the difference in energy, recovery, and strength. Then share your results in the comments so others can see what works. If you found this tip valuable, make sure to like this video, share it with friends or family who want to stay healthy, and subscribe to our channel for more proven strategies to stay strong, fit, and full of energy at any age. Don't miss out on simple, science-backed ways to keep your muscles strong and your body moving. Join our community and take control of your health today.